What if I told you that Apple is fighting one of the toughest cost battles in its history, and you were never meant to notice? While the next generation of smartphones becomes more expensive to build every single year, Apple is quietly pushing back. Behind closed doors, the company is negotiating hard, squeezing suppliers, and using its massive scale to protect its margins. And the most surprising part is how it's doing it with the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max. A fresh report reveals that Apple is pressuring Samsung Display and LG Display to cut OLED panel prices by almost 20% for the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Most smartphone brands would never dare demand such a huge price reduction on brand new technology. But Apple's massive ordering volume gives it unmatched leverage. Even with lower margins per display, suppliers still make massive total profits because of the sheer scale of Apple's orders. Why is Apple pushing so hard right now? Because costs across the supply chain are exploding. The biggest pressure point is the processor. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to run on TSMC's advanced 2nm 820 Pro chip, estimated at a staggering $280 just for the silicon alone. Add surging global memory and flash storage prices, and total manufacturing expenses threaten to jump by hundreds of dollars. Here is the twist. Apple isn't downgrading to cheaper tech. Instead, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to feature Samsung's state-of-the-art M16 OLED material set, offering higher luminous efficiency, better outdoor visibility, and longer lifespan. While previous panels cost around $80, Apple is targeting roughly $70 to $66.50 per screen, saving roughly $13 per phone scales into hundreds of millions of dollars in savings, neutralizing the extreme cost of that 2nm chip. This is high-level financial strategy. Apple is shifting pressure to one part of the supply chain to survive another. But it leaves a major question open. With component inflation running rampant, will retail prices still climb when the phone launches this September? Whether this strategy protects consumer wallets or just Apple's bottom line remains to be seen. The real story isn't just a screen discount, it's pure corporate leverage. If you like this deep dive into tech economics, make sure to subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.